Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy, and if you're new here, welcome and welcome back to another video. So as you can see, we moved and I'm so excited. That was such a fake dance, but I'm so excited because girl, my other apartment was a little outdated. You know, with the whole COVID situation, it was hard to find a place. So yeah, but we're here now. I love the white walls. Like, I looked at so many places and I was like, you know what? I just want white walls. I'm tired of this pink background, baby. But I'm just going to clean the empty apartment because, you know, they clean, but you know, you want to add that your own smell. You want to deep clean. You want to make sure that everything's deep clean. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I don't know why I say follow me on Instagram, baby. I don't even post. I'm gonna start posting. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I'm so thankful for you guys. I usually watch people to get motivation to clean, but I guess I'm gonna have to be the motivation today. Girl, not me with the Christmas pajamas, but I gotta clean. I have all my cleaning supplies right here. You guys like my shirt? It says Morena. It's from, I saw it on TikTok.
Daydreaming, wanna go with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, this you touch. I needed to distance.
I have the disinfecting wipes and the multi-surface cleaner. Like, they smell so good. I love grapefruit. I love the smell of grapefruit or fruity smell, so I recommend this. This smells so good.
Daydreaming, wanna go with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, this you touch. I needed to.
Now I'm gonna clean my fridge, and for my fridge, I'm going to use these lemon disinfecting wipes, the lemon multi-surface cleaner, and I'm going to use some chlorine. And I know that you're not supposed to be mixing chemicals. I'm not telling you to mix some. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, because baby, my stuff gotta smell good.
Needed to distance myself from you. I was just annoyed with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you.
You guys, I need to find me a new mop because this right here is expensive. Like, changing these, you use like 3 to 4 to mop a floor. Like, this and stuff is expensive nowadays, so I need to get me a new mop. Like, getting new of these is expensive, and everything nowadays is expensive. Like, this life is expensive. Do you guys prefer to mop or vacuum? Okay, so now it's time to clean the bathroom. Well, one of the bathrooms that I'm gonna use for the bathroom is Fabuloso. If you don't use it, then I don't know what's going on. You're missing out. And again, the grapefruit. I use this for the toilet. Then this for the bathtub. It's this one. This shower curtain for right now because I don't know, I cannot make up my mind if I want like all gray, all white, or like a beige color in the bathroom. I cannot make up my mind. And I'm the type of person that don't like to do too much, to keep it very minimal. Like, I can't stand so much stuff. Like, I feel like I'm a hoarder. I don't know if people was out there that can relate with me, but I cannot stand having so much stuff. It drives me insane.
Any way I can, I Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
How it looks right now. Like I said, I haven't made up my mind on how I want to decorate this bathroom, but for right now, this will do. I'm not used to this, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna vacuum the living room and then the rooms, and let me go turn on some lights because there's a lot of lights on.
Give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.